I'm Ethan.
And I'm Prateek.
And we're here with your monthly fix of NEM market updates.
Are you ready? Starting with wholesale prices in April, daily prices stayed within -$14 to $177 per megawatt hour. Average monthly prices eased year on year, down around 39% from April last year, with prices averaging $58 per megawatt hour across the NEM.
So what about negative prices?
Compared to March, frequency of negative prices increased by 3% on average across the mainland regions. 2-hour price spreads narrowed between 9th and 13th April across Victoria and South Australia. Elevated wind output, strong rooftop solar generation, and continued thermal supply kept prices low or negative for extended periods, limiting opportunities for batteries to discharge during higher price intervals. In South Australia, 2-hour spreads fell sharply from $278 per megawatt hour to $17 per megawatt hour over the same period, as strong wind and rooftop solar output suppressed prices and limited discharge opportunities.
Okay, what else stood out in the last month?
Well, in Queensland, lower 1-second FCAS prices spiked between the 19th to 21st because Q&I-related constraints locked out very fast FCAS providers from outside the region. This meant Queensland had to rely more on local contingency providers, which pushed prices up. In South Australia, contingency FCAS prices rose during the Tailem Bend transmission outages from the 22nd to 24th of April. These outages increased the risk of South Australia becoming separated from the rest of the grid, so more FCAS had to be sourced locally from within the state, tightening supply and driving prices higher.
So anything else we should know?
Absolutely. With battery revenues, April recorded a relatively quiet month, especially with the period of narrow spreads in the southern states. South Australia and Victoria saw 2-hour duration batteries averaging approximately $3,450 per megawatt hour in revenues. For the eastern states, New South Wales recorded $2,600 per megawatt hour for 2-hour duration batteries. In Queensland, batteries saw approximately 18% share of revenues from contingency from the lower 1-second price separation, with 2-hour duration batteries averaging $1,600 per megawatt hour.
Yeah, now that you mention it, Prateek, I did hear that our clients have an easy way to compare battery performance benchmarks. Can you tell us more?
Well, I thought you'd never ask. We've already launched Flexplorer, our brand new interactive dashboard for visualization of forward-looking battery investment cases, real performance benchmarks, and historical market data. Subscribers to our flexible energy market forecast can already explore its full functionality right from within EOS, our energy intelligence platform. If you don't already subscribe and want to test it out for yourself, or you have any other questions for the team, reach out and we'll be in touch soon.
Until next time.